The late adopter. Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel, to the new video. Right now we're doing Cardano minus 2.25%. Like what's gonna happen during the day, we don't know, but you know, Bitcoin went down, so pulled everything down, so we are down with the Bitcoin, so nothing actually happening. For the 5 days we have actually been above this 20 moving average. That's this red line. So 1 2 3 4 5 days, maybe 6 days, including this candle over here, 6 days above the 20 moving average, and that's perfectly normal because we just got too extended from the 10 moving average, and that's the white line once we pumped from the bottom down here. So after the bottom over here we pumped really hard, and then we got extended from the 10 moving average. So we went we retraced a little bit down, and we are following this 20 moving average, but it's ultimately this 10 moving average that's actually going to push the price to the upside. So that's what we're actually waiting for. Anyways, let's go to the weekly chart to talk a bit about what's going to happen on the week. That's what we are actually expecting to happen, because today is Sunday. Tomorrow is Monday. That means tonight there will be closing of this candle over here, this green candle. Now this can play out several ways, and I'm going to explain to you what are the most bullish scenarios right now. The most bullish scenario, of course, getting above, not most bullish scenario. Most bullish scenario is getting closing above the 1.31 line. 1.31 line is this line over here that's creating this top over here. This is a local all-time high top. So it's creating once it was going up, it was creating a resistance there. So we want to break this resistance, and if we can manage the close above 131 on the weekly chart, that means today, if we can close above 131, we're gonna be super bullish, because we are actually having a higher high. This is high, this is higher high, so the price is going up. So that's a bullish signal for every trader, and we would like that. Next best thing, I mean, if we cannot close above the 131, we want to close above at least 127. That's all the way down here, 127. And that's gonna be bullish for two reasons. Number one, this resistance that's been created on the way up over here is being broken, and then number two, we have this candle over here that's a bullish engulfing candle. The bullish engulfing candle means it's bigger than the previous candle. Like the entire body is bigger than the previous. That's a bullish signal for the trade. So we're gonna get two confirmation that we are continuing upwards. But the best case scenario is actually closing above 131. In that case also we get this bullish engulfing candle, however you want to watch it, over this one. So it's bullish either way, but closing about 131, best case scenario. Next best scenario, closing about 127, and worst case scenario is closing somewhere below this line over here at 127, because that means that we are actually failed to break the resistance. It doesn't have to mean anything, even if we just close right below it, down here, then we still next week can actually continue going up and stuff like that. But like, why should we wait until next week? We can do it this week. So I have big faith that this week Cardano will actually manage to close all-time high on the weekly candle here above 131. Next best scenario 127, but we're gonna see what's actually gonna happen. On the daily chart, we are still not inside this rising wedge, so we are still sitting below it. We're still sitting on the 20 moving average, and waiting actually for this white line, this 10 moving average, so it can come a little closer to us, so we can bounce inside the wedge. Let's go into the small time frame and see what's happening there. We're gonna remove some of this now on the small time frames. We are below the 10 and 20 moving average, but we have really strong support down here at around what's that, 1516, real strong. So if we continue dropping down here, we can get support at 1615, 126, 125. That would be between somewhere over here, 125 and 126 is around let me see, over here, something like this, 125, 127. So that's the support. We can actually make the area, very nice area down here like this. That's the area. We can remove these numbers, so you can see this area down here, that's gonna act as a support. And if you go to the daily, you can see that that area is lying just above the 10 moving average average right now. I don't think we're gonna get down there. If we do that, it will be with the wick, just like we did previously. But all in all, I think that's gonna be enough for holding the price. Now I lost my lines. Now I have my lines back, and it looks very nice. So I know it's still stable coin. Cardano is still stable coin. Unfortunately, the African news didn't help that much, but it's normal market movement. What can I tell you? It's normal market movements. It's bullish, but it's normal market sideways movement. However you want to pick, call it, it's normal market movement. It's gonna go up, it's gonna go crazy, like everything. We do a lot of altcoins on Patreon and here on the channel, and everything is getting ready for something, but everything is not quite there. Some coins are pumping, but most are not. You know, I know you're looking at all the coins that are actually pumping, but you have to also look at all the coins that are not pumping, and they're doing exactly the same thing as Cardano. They're going kind of sideways, they're trying to break some kind of resistances, they're trying to climb a little bit up, and you're gonna see soon enough, like everything is gonna start popping real hard. And that's what we're actually waiting for, because that's also the time that Cardano will start popping real hard. That said, subscribe to the channel to get tomorrow's news, news about Cardano. We do Cardano on this channel every single day, so that might be something for you. Also check out the Telegram channel, very nice people there, 2,440 members right now. And check out the Patreon, we do daily altcoins, so if you have trouble picking coins, that might be something for you. That said, I appreciate that you stopped by the channel and watched the video. It helps with the YouTube algorithm, so thanks for that. See you around, guys. Bye bye.